artist now. Look at me. I have a special glove for this activity. So, got an email to say, like, hey, those A kids need to see their teacher. So, hey, here I am. So, this is for those A kids that didn't get to see me. So, where I've started here on my picture, I did it very, very simplified. This is going to be like cervical spine, C spine, which is, whoops, gonna be cervical spine, which is gonna be those 7 for breakfast. And then you've got the thoracic spine, there'll be 12 of them. And I did count it out. I was like, there you go, 1, 2, 3. There's the easiest way you can draw a spine. And then the last 5, so thoracic really should come further, but the last 5 are the lumbar spine. Okay, so this is where we're gonna start in the lower body. We're gonna have kind of the pelvis jutting off of this like that. That's where we're gonna start the lower extremity. Okay, so for the rest of the bones of the lower extremity, we're gonna start again at there. Oops, we're gonna find something that works. Okay, so we start with the sacrum, coccyx, and then we get the pelvic bones. So those are pelvic, that's the pelvis. Okay, and if we just kind of follow this one side, so we're looking at the patient, so it's not our right side, it's gonna be their. So it's our right, their left. So we always go patient side. So we're looking at left side. We're gonna go ahead and hook in a femur over here. Yikes. Sometimes when you're just drawing it though, it's gonna look funny. Okay, there it is, the femur. Okay, the thigh bone. So that's what we drew in class. And honestly, weapon wise, I think that was like the dad's tool. That one is like, wait till your dad gets home. That's gonna be his his pow stick. Okay, and then from here we actually have a tibia that lines up with this real nice, and the tibia comes down, forms a medial malleolus, the ankle hat, and then this is gonna come down. There you go, tibia. Don't want to leave out the little rock skipper. That's the patella that sits right there. Then we have the fibula that comes down a little bit longer than the tibia. So that's why you'll be more likely to roll your ankle in or have an inversion sprain rather than eversion sprain, because that bone sticks down a little farther. Then we're to ankle bones. So this would be the talus, and there are like 7 ankle bones. So we're just gonna kind of draw them in funny like that. And we're gonna have him kind of pointing his toe. So if my hand is a foot, then we're gonna have him be like pointing his toe like this, okay? So we're here, tarsals, then we've got to go medial to lateral. It's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are foot bones. Those are foot bones, metatarsals. So just like in the hand, we had carpals here. There were 8 instead of 7, but carpals, metacarpals. We're to metatarsals in the foot. And then we're to phalanges. So in the big toe, we've got 2 phalanges, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 in each of the other toes. 1, 2, 3. That was just a gnarly toe. He has that one super gnarly toe. That's just how it went. Okay, so lower extremity. We took some time and did that in class. I will have instructions for everything else that you missed. Sorry that there was a hurricane. Is that what we're at? We're at hurricane on the bingo card. And I'm predicting the grand finale, the piece that's at the top, the cherry, if you will, is going to be like, what about we have a blizzard mixed with an earthquake mixed with the hurricane? Because why not? We can handle it, whatever. So other instructions will be out there. Sorry I didn't see you this week. We'll catch up next week. Hopefully no more wind.